Okay, real quick video showing today's tape read. So I decided this week to do all tape reading to kind of lock in my emotional state of mind and not be thrown off. This is the election week, so it may be volatility in weird locations, and although I'm watching other people make trades and be successful, and my tapes readings have been, like right now, high win rate right now. Not that it's just a lot, that I've done, but it's been really great, and most importantly, my execution of the plan has been spot on and good. So this here I would consider like a B type setup. So mindset, okay. In this instance, so we have the opening range high, opening range low. That's this here marked out. So I had that marked out. Check. 2, any new liquidities that was also get marked out. Mind you, that's that would be here, but it did its thing. It swept the high and dropped. So that's what was, it did it. But if it would have went higher and higher, I would mark all of those out. This here is probably don't need to put that. It's common sense to do that. Then we have the window. For me, I noticed the 1030 is the window. So right here started, you want to see a sweep after 1030.
I wouldn't get long unless.
And then that's that. So all of that was present here. It all occurred. This is 1030, sweep, drop, okay? And here we go. So setting, okay, sweep of liquidity / range after 1030, yep. Market structure shift on M1. So now I was treating high, low, higher, high. I was treating this one here as the but it's ugly. This one here would have been the strongest or the better one. Close down here. Eventually it did get down there and close underneath this stuff here. So it ended up being good anyway. But this here is the close right here, and then so now I'm looking for an up close, so we close down below. Actually, my bad, I think I did select it. I did choose to be more this one here. Let me get there and see right here. I'm supposed to make this video really short and quick.
Just waiting.
Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so it closed here, confirming the the change. I mean right here. Okay, that's the open. So the close. Open at 36 right here. Okay, so right here, so when this closed, this here is 38, like it popped out, and that was this one here. So price came, no, I think I did select that one because I remember how when it No, I remember I was letting it go. Yeah, I did do this one here. Alright, so price came and I was waiting for a fair value gap strike. I had it there, successful. Boom. Waiting for a close below a down close, which was this one right here. Boom. I mean, up close. So this is the up close, and price closed down below it. Boom. that validated. The reason why I got this here is because I did see it rise up a bit because it was hitting this again, so I felt that I would have waited a bit for it to come up. That's the entry right there. Stop loss, you know, should have been like here, but really, well, no, where I have it is where it should be, period. Let me not say that, but this is hindsight, and I'm saying that this here, you know, would have been okay because this was an immediate rebalance to it here. See this candle here popped up, so I could have selected the bottom of this here, of this bearish order block. So in this here, I would have been considering to be a breakaway gap, to not be retested or, you know, filled in. So yeah, so we can see here that with the entry here, price came back against here and tapped it above here, which is where I felt might happen. So it did it. So my thought process was to just do on the other side of this fair value gap, which was here, but to be safe, I just put it up there like that. Price, so yeah, so that was my entry, so it was running away. Now if I do this was here is about 20 pips here, 20 handles. With 20 handles, I would have, if I would have moved it just to break even, then I would have got stopped out here. If I would have took some more, I would have been great. I would have got stopped out here when it came back, and then at that point I would have waited for another close below an up close. That's here, boom, stop loss. This one would have been a stronger stop loss to put, you know, again, to put it here, or I would have even thought to maybe put it here, feeling that this was the M that it was going to run on, and I would have then been put in the hot seat when it came back to here. But eventually it then did drop, come to the 50%, and then did do you know, more than 30, you know, eventually. But one of the problems I'm seeing I'm going to have is when I extend these stop losses past the 1-to-3 ratio of a 10 handle, stop loss with a 30 handle take profit. That's gonna kind of eat into profits, eat into things like mess up the money management. So yeah, we can see here that how it came really close to getting taken out here, but the right place is one of the places where it could have been was here again, because this did an immediate rebalance right there and tapped it. So that would have been a nice one. That would have only been a small amount above, but regardless, I like this trade would be really truly considered quote successful if the original 20 would yield 60. So did 60 get hit here? Yes. Okay. I feel better now that if I would have did a automatically opened up the if I would have opened up the take profit to match that, you know, that would have been great. It would have been nice to it's nice to see that it would have met it. So, but the 50% of the range, that's from here to here, did get hit here, and that would have been in the 30s. So I think it was 38 handles. So that would have been a successful trade there if I just kept to that. So all right, well, so that's really it. The model works great. What's down below? So let me show up here. So with the entry here, and the 50 here is inside here, inside the new day opening gap. But look at here. We didn't get to the first, looking at over here at the 15. This here, right here, is the first, is the quarter. So for me, I'm often seeing, even if price is gonna go up higher, this is the new day opening gap here. I mean, I'm not new day open. This is the opening gap. Really huge. And if it's gonna fake everyone out and run higher, a lot of times, often it'll come to at least a quarter of the way. And so that's a draw. The draw altogether, the gap is a draw. So that's why I was okay with you know, following this here. Yeah, that's why I wanted to do this, to at least get it to the 50%. I saw it would, you know, play out. So
yeah, probably not gonna work out.
That's it. All right, there.
Yeah, alright, stopped out of that one, that's fine. Went with lower size and a lot lower. Alright. Move lower to this MSSM.